At Flower Power, we create exclusive event programs tailored for corporate clients, blending team building with social responsibility in impactful ways by leveraging our team's expertise and creativity. Our Bake with Empathy workshop fosters inclusivity and empathy by having teams navigate assigned disabilities while baking together. This hands-on experience allows participants to gain a deeper appreciation for empathy in the workplace, enhancing both team cohesion and CSR. It's a fantastic way to bond as a team while making a positive impact on the community. Next, our Kopi Mindfulness workshop explores the mental benefits of coffee through an engaging mindfulness experience. Participants learn how coffee can enhance focus, mood, and relaxation through discussions, activities, and sensory exploration. This workshop helps integrate coffee into self-care routines, cultivating a healthier mind and a deeper appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Our programs have been trusted by prestigious organizations such as ESSEC Business School, Meta, Hoya, Bank of America, Kiehl's, Continental Automotive, and DBS. Each of these partners has experienced firsthand the unique and transformative power of our workshops. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to welcome you and your team to our exceptional venue, where together, we can cultivate a more mindful, empathetic, and cohesive workplace.